We're looking at a Aqua Class Sky Suite here on board the brand new Celebrity Beyond. And this is a new touch lock here. You can do it with your room card or with your phone. And that will gain you access into your exciting accommodation. Let's have a look here in the master bath to start. Turn the lights on. Here we go. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. And I have more cruise ship video tours on YouTube than anybody. Make sure to check those out in my cruise tours playlist. So we'll have a double trough sink with the very nice CO Bigelow amenities. And we'll have some storage space in here. And a vanity mirror and desk area. And that plug there is for hair dryers. We'll have a single water closet with a door for separation. And then a nice Roman tub with a rainfall shower head, side heads, and a removable handheld fixture. And then look at this. I always forget this whenever I do these room tours. The mirrors open and separate so you can have a view straight over the bed and into the rest of the suite. And we'll have some hidden closet space here. We'll have special retreat robes, yoga mat here, exclusive for the Aqua Class portion. Some retreat slippers and umbrella. You also will get full access to the thermal suite amongst your other normal retreat amenities, and you can dine in blue if you'd like to, but the Lumine restaurant in the retreat is better. So you'll have a spa desk here with all the information and price lists for the spa treatments, art collections, books, so you can do an art tour around the ship, electronics box here. You'll have welcome Evian and rainwater, some nice fixtures. And so we'll have a full king bed that does separate into two twins, and a couch with welcome champagne, compliments of Celebrity. This is French champagne, by the way, Blanc de Blanc. So let's have a look out here on the veranda. Have safety locks here. And we'll have the standard table and coffee table and two chairs, and one chaise lounge in this area. And over there is the magic carpet. And today we're off of Nassau in the Bahamas. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Aqua Class Sky Suite. It's a brand new feature for Celebrity Beyond, and it will be rolled out to the rest of the fleet as we go along. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to Affluent Journeys. That helps me a lot. It's getting bright out here. Follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. I put all my special deals and exclusive offers on Celebrity and other reputable lines there. And give me a follow on Instagram if you haven't. You'll see some other things that I do. Now, I am a luxury travel agent. I do represent Celebrity Cruises for the North American market. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise on Celebrity, perhaps you're in one of the Sky Suites, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer that you would have by booking direct on your own. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Celebrity's North American offices only and not through another travel agent, if you're booked through another travel agent, please don't contact me on it. And you did the booking within the past 30 days, I might still be able to help, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.